My name is Madhuri. I have recently completed my B.TECH in Computer Science and Engineering with a specialization in Artificial and Machine Learning from Faculty of Technology and Sciences, Warangal. I have joined this Qspiders in the month of August 2025, and my manual trainers are Hemant sir and Varshini ma'am. They gave me support on each and everything, and they explained us the testing methodologies very clearly, which have helped me in each and every interview. The grooming sessions which are conducted here are very helpful for me for each and every interview I have attended. And the mock interviews I was giving for each and every week have built my confidence and gave me all the things which I have to put in my resume, and they updated my resume also, which helped me a lot in all my interviews. And coming to my Java trainer was Pavan sir. Initially, I was very much afraid in Java, but Pavan sir gave me a confidence and enhanced my programming skills a lot. And coming to my SQL trainer, Gagandeep sir gave me a clear and simple understanding on each and every SQL concepts. Here, each and every trainer has supported me a lot to get me placed. Thank you, Qspiders.